안녕하세요. kumusta na mo? Nakalistik sa ebi kalon. Hello everyone. This is your Koreanong Bisaya but I am now an Indianong Abnoy. I will be teaching you the dancing of Indian and also an Indian tutorial. Do you really better watch it? Watch it. Namaste, Alat Sumit for everyone. I have no my visitor and I will be asking and will be teaching you what is what we called Zumba, Indian Zumba. So this is our Zumba instructor. Hi, how are you? Zumba instructor.
Fine.
You're fine. How is your? We will be teaching our viewers right now how to dance in a Jaihu way in Indian. Just like this, and you have to wave just like this. And for everyone who's watching in our blog, this is Mr. Kalu. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. There is nothing to worry about. Just be happy.
Is that how you dance like this in Indian way?
Yes. There's nothing you can do than just doing this on one movement. The
Yes,
movement
yes.
that we have is already like this and repetitive way.
And now we will be teaching our fans in different countries that it has a big beneficial. All you need to do is just to go to my vlog. It's DJ Kokui Martin, and now we will be teaching you how to speak an Indian accent and of course how to dance just like an Indian. So just follow me for you to become. This is what you need to do. Okay, and if you're okay, just follow me. You have to shake your head just like this, and also you need to shake your hands just like this. And if you're talking just like this, I just wanted to tell everyone that it's very simple. Okay, and if you're talking about, say for example, water. In English there is water. But water. But in Indian it's water.
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 Yes, say it with me, water.
Water.
That is one way, okay, or if you're talking about, say for example, I really wanted to drink a water.
Yes, I like this. So for example, waiter, can you give me some water, please?
Water.
Water.
Just, that's good. And say from and if you are paying for the electricity bill, we call it electricity. Electricity.
Electricity.
It is what you pronounce electricity.
Electricity.
If you're paying for the bill, you are talking electricity.
Electricity.
And now I will be teaching you. Mr. Kalu is teaching us how to sing Jai
Jaihu, yes.
Sira.
You just follow me and do what you do. Just don't try this at home. Just do it in your own way.
Okay, so we'll be starting. We'll be starting with the movement.
Yes.
Okay, so the movement is like this. Okay, okay, and then we'll be singing it.
Yes.
Okay, Jai Ho.
You are the reason why I still Jaihu.
You are the reason I still believe. You are my destiny. Jai Ho. Jai Ho. You are the reason I believe. You are the reason I still believe. You are my destiny. Jai Ho. And you have to shake it. You have to go here.
Okay.
You have to shake your also here. You have to shake your head just like this. And then after shaking your head, you have to dance just like this. And then dance like this. And then dance like this. Just like this. Again, after that, just like this. Just like this. After that, that is one way of introducing you. That is a Jaihu Indian. That is an Indian dancing. It's
Yes.
very famous in India.
Yes.
So just like this. You have to dance just like this. Okay, you have to tutorial for them.
Yes, let's do it. Let's do this in the right way. It's just simple. You just shake your head first, then you have to move your hands left and right.
And then
you
let's go with
shake your
the
body.
Shake your body just like that. So you have to play center at the center. Just a center. Okay, after that.
You have to sing it with the Jai Ho. You are the reason that I live. You are the reason why I still believe. You are my destiny. Die home. Then you have to repeat the same routine as what I said.
Okay. And what is the benefits of dancing Jaihu? What is the benefit of dancing our body?
The benefits of our, it is really
An exercise.
helpful.
Helpful because it will rejuvenate your body, sir. And after that, it's a blood circulation.
Yes.
Very good blood circulation. And after that,
You can breathe quickly.
breathe quickly because nowadays, if you cannot breathe, you will die. And after that, aside from that,
Aside from that, and your flow with your walking is
very good.
good. And
It's
then
like
you lose your weight.
You lose your weight. While dancing Indian, you will lose your weight.
Yes.
So one more time.
Yes.
We will be singing it one more time. And you have to, while you are watching there, now you have to also dance with us.
Yes.
Okay. While watching on TV, I will be teaching you one Indian Jaiho tutorial. Okay. This is going to be like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. You are the reason that I still believe. You are the reason that I still believe. You are my destiny. Die Die
You are the reason why I still believe. You are the reason why I still believe. You are my destiny. I hope you have enjoyed this dancing lesson we had for today.
If you wanted to have a more Indian tutorial, you need to just follow us on YouTube. Okay, it's DJ Kopi Button.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to say thank you for all of the viewers.
Yes, sir. We would like to say thank you for all of you to watching this video, and I hope you are not tired dancing on this net.
Yeah.
Until next time.
Until next time, and then one more time. Jaiho, you are the reason why I believe. You are the reason why I still believe. You are my destiny. Jaiho.
You are the reason I believe. You are the reason why I still believe. You are my destiny.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Also very a lot of exercise. Good blood circulation. Good for your health and exercise. Look at him. He's very good looking. 안녕하세요. 카바네코레스 칼로.
Kamusta naman tayo? Maana ako sa maing kayong tag. Despite na naarami baha, padahin gihapat kinabuhi.
파라오.
Yes, wala yung imposible sa taong naipaglaong.
나!